Bana ba maizilisiza sikali mulango oli wanyonyi wakaka mwana mubi chachi ende khale no musoreri bali etika mwana mutindu yumakhono kukwama echwele no musori ni balanga bali eno simunyasya omwana mulunda mabuka sikimba mande omekhala enda ya warabata kuno kuli kumwenya kwa mayu mukosi ni balanga bali echo na kumicha kituyi osala kumwaka kwa 1000 na 934 kupapa na aliwanjala lukongo walo mwana musa wa mukhaloba khambi alala nende mai telia umwana wa bamusomi natubuzila mangasa ayaya yayawe maizitiye aliwe mayi kuloba kwati mayi kuloba kwati omukayi wa babandu kuloba kwati wazima maendeleo mayati mengendika kukwama mungo mwewe esangalo lubire kumunina mayiwabo muyeti ayetanga babana bafubya babaye abayetana basomya nabayile zisomero yako bachingu bachosi abafwara bayi mayiwa manya bulimi kukola kulye bana we bamusome bayina tobozo endilila kumoyo wambaye waliwa emayikaku yayewe anabapati walina alimayiwanga mukozi zakolende nulumbe lulya mubuluza lukajula panilendeke enendo musana bakala chitikiti chaba chibili alimayeleko kechoyo kanondako khana munyuma mayina gwokukumbe kwangalisya mayirechowe mwana we babasaba khamubalelenywe omukeni we balamu balubili bala balilile yaya emayu musolile lokulyamya emayu mukuriwe kimyoyo walinda babandu ulukongo abukulu babana bakhenyala baleme abayimira zipoza mala basomye abayimira zipoza mala bacha kumilimo ero kulyama enanga luyuma yumukosi yayawe emayi kuloba kwalya mayiwe eyaya kuloba kwalya bamuyonga bali kona bagwangwa bosi balira kona bayitu becha balira balivakhokola khulye kona bazonge balira babuya bazakame balangu bamuloti bayitu babalira ebazikaka ibona kaloma mwana we bamutilu basimbula na bwami banekoye balivakhokola khulye mazazimaziko mwana wawetang'ulo kati malikhole ndye mayiwe ng'omukosi lulumbe lulya bubimba yiwe timasi wanyonyi kalilile ali mayiwe ngeze ndinyolaye mayi omukambisi wabasiti malaka ba mwalimu webusomi mu politekiniki baye kukumbe kuno asinono wawikalasi kubimaru kurikirisiko nyolochiya mayi kane kaba kusibala imenya lyewe kamakhwaniko kakhola karibu bana babu audio etika.
The lecture of Mama Rachel Nakhumicha Kitui, birth and family background and heritage. Mama Rachel Nakhumicha Kitui was born in 1934 to the late Musepolu Wanjala Congo of the Omusaba clan and Mama Telina Nelima of the Omusomi clan from Namwela Ngoli village Chwele. She was the second born daughter in a large family and grew up surrounded by siblings late Mwalimu Noah Simiyu, late Mwalimu Justus Simiyu, Wasiri, my Kezia Navalayo, my Selina Kitui, retired English Zakaria Wafula, Wanjala, late Mwalimu Margaret Nabangala, viewed as her father was a suspected chief, while her maternal ancestry was traced back to traditional rules and respected leader in the community. She was raised by the father and was widely known as his favorite child from him. She inherited a strong sense of leadership, courage, responsibility, and commitment serving others. Her family heritage instilled in the value of integrity, wisdom, hard work, and community service that will define her entire life. education and love of her learning. Mama Rachel highly valued education and pursued it diligently. She joined Chwele Primary School in 1944 and successfully sat the common entrance examination in 1948. In 1953, she completed her CAPE examination for joining Kaimosi Teachers College in 1955. Education was not only personally achievement and her but loving mission. She firmly believed that education a child was one of the greatest investment person could make. Throughout her life, there was always a child under her care, receiving education and mentorship. Whatever relative of needy child, she ensures that young people had opportunity to learn and grow. Her latest beneficiary bring Mark Simiyu 11 years. Cousins, those trust cousins to my Rispa Mukanda, the late Tamaris Naliaka, right Major George Makanda, the late Honorable Joseph Mulilo, Honorable Festus Wasilwa, Honorable Choni Nandasaba, late Nora Musundi, late Dora Wasilwa, late Lena Mulilo, late Rose Mutabati, Grace Kuto, Elizabeth Wayo, the late George Wehui, Amos Wehui, among many. In-laws, she was a daughter-in-law to James Ganga, Sylvester Nandali, late Charles Webuhuru Nandali, late Wayongo George Kimingiji, the late Vincent Barasa, Honorable Wabangana, Honorable James Wafula Vincent Bakari, Chuma Bakari, Giri Wayongo, Robert Wabangana, late Rasaro, the late Matayo Walela, the late Ambrose Hisa, the late Sylvester Barasa, the late Choni Kalibo, late Ali Kitui, Victoria Namaemba Chikati, the late Anna Wetangula, the late Anna Namarome Muhwana, Retembuta Nafula, Rasaro Chuma, Charles Siboko, Maria Nafula Mahanu, Priska Namaemba, the late Namfueli, the late Freria Walela Bakari, the late Maundende, grandchildren Dr. Tipora Barasa, Honorable Brenda Ofisi, Honorable Evans Kakai, Diana Kitui, Melvin Rupia, Charity Wafula, Citric Maureen Faith, Philip Muchele, Melissa, Lindy, Oliver, Celestine, Martin, Matayo, Murunga, Muua, Brian, Musejule, Shili, Sandra, Nicola, Chelsea, Toko, Regina, Eric, Paulo, Matayo, Daisy, Nathan, Eman, Etina, Eunice, Sarah, Christine, Gloria, Colin, Patient, Telet, Torodi, Mutenyo, Telet, Bramwell, Wanjala, Elizabeth, Anthony, late Isaac, Nancy, Veronica, among many. Great grandchildren. She was further blessed with 23 great grandchildren.
Orio! Ay. Baba nabalira. Aliza orende. Anawebala barubiri baru. Bali mayiwe famukayika tena. Mayiwe famuzoli walindehoro. Mayuka pakuwa bandu mungobanye. Orendewe. Mairecho mukumbe kuno ese kumayire kabana natembea wana wabajowe yukalire wana babakimwe yinga mulola ali mairecho wange kabo muzuri ali kolende kulumberuno kiti maziwa baraza mwana we bakwangwa uzinde wanasaba kalire ali mayumu kozi kubu wange ino mayiwa manyabuzo mikulinda babana mayiwa bamubayalize ne kolende Muwanyonyi malakalira Aliza kolende bwami bwe bungoma Chikura change kolende Wikilifu wanga matikalire Ale kolende mayi wati myangendika Chakaba kumuni na mayi zeke kata Ayeta bafubi alola bayeta abukula bana bavubi n'abasomya abukula bakhenyala nywe n'abasomya enanoli bane kumoyonga mayirecho ayaya ulumbero lya bubi kanatima kelolosaka papaka bana wefwe wefungoma alikholendya mayirecho ulumbero no ulumbero lya bubi papa Moses mazikawa wetangula zipika kalile ali mayiya nakache makombe bamayiba kwa bawena nukulora mayiwe mayilumberwa lya yayawe mayilumberwa lya yayawe kukulumberwa lya yayawe kukulumberwa lya choshi wa mangolu mukimwa yumutolometi kalira lima yumukosi alina kuwandikwa kimilimu mayika banga asitiye malomuka mbi mayiwe babandu omanyile maendeleo kusibala telo kunyola ena mungo mubala muno mungo mubasaba mubakalo babakambi balira balize kolendye mungo muchwele enda ya munoko balira baliyo mayirwa wa obatukwikambirira machabe kutusi balomile nomanendo muzoleli bali makawe maka mukisu ekalomile nali producer ayaya khane balayi bache kombe bangalumbe luhola abele lwekhebuka enyuma khwabalaka babi bamala bandu bafwa ayaya mayi ese wanyonyi wakaka yumubi chachimusyo yomukele mbolero oyo mubayitu balira likholendye mubayitu balira likholendye mubatilu balira banang'oma bayi mubakongwambirira zili kwabo baloma enda yanamukhasi bosi balira enda yebata bamulekwa bawuka busa bali mayijira numukambi bali mayijira numuzoli wamanya khusomya babana befwe khukhola khulye kukumbe kulyakhane ayaya wambaya walira emayi wange wambaya walira basakali bamayeso nga balira bali babalebe imende kholandile ona Jennifer walira limayi wange ali muchekombene muzali wakakona ali khukhola khulye lulumbo lukhe lulya bubi bazonge bamwalye bali changwe bawuka bali mayu mukosi mayu khachakuwa mayu uli mulindi olya ne babantu lulumbe luno ati mwakharebire ololepo ndiwe wele ese wanyonyi wakaka yomubi chachimusyo yomukelembena mulwaneti bosingelo weluvuliwe luyunju wekhela khuniendoro mulusanyo mulya voko mweno mulya masundi khamubolele omusinde wana bucherya makwena welalo khambukuna muna babana besima engene khane bana bolumbero lya semanyekha lumberwa ngali chausi ayaya eno siwana simiyu wana mulunda sikimbo wana papa warabaka kone kombe musinde wana saba lulumberwa lya bacho